Did you know that studies show that almost 50% of children with autism are able to catch up to their peers, achieve average IQ levels, and transition to school if they receive good quality applied behavioral analysis programs? You may be wondering why, and so we have listed down 8 practical reasons why ABA really works. Number 1, individualized programs. Autism is a spectrum disorder, and every child with autism needs an individualized program to address their specific areas of difficulty. Number 2, one-to-one teaching. In the initial stages of treatment, most children with autism are not able to learn successfully in a group environment. Even the most qualified and trained teacher is still only one person and will not be able to give sufficient focus to a child with autism in a group setting. As the child progresses though, we start to add another peer and then a small group setting before transitioning to school. Number 3, intensive hours. Have you ever thought that we have about 24 hours a day, 168 hours a week, and if a child sleeps for 12 hours a day, that still leaves about 84 hours of free time. A child with autism will then have a lot of free time to practice their repetitive, rigid behaviors or interests, and the more time they have practicing stimming, the stronger the behavior becomes. Number 4, early intervention. This is so important because firstly, there is a period of rapid development in a child's brain from birth, which means that they have the most potential to learn at that age. Secondly, the brain is more malleable at that age and inappropriate behaviors are easy to be redirected to appropriate skills. And lastly, there are fewer skills to catch up with. If a 3-year-old demonstrates the skills of a 1-year-old, technically there is only a 2-year delay. Whereas if that same 3-year-old did not receive early intensive ABA, may still be functioning at a 1-year-old level at 13 years of age. This now becomes a 12-year delay. Number 5, start with success. A child with autism has so much to learn and can get frustrated easily. And so when we break complex and difficult skills down, we can start where the child is successful, which makes learning easier, builds the child's confidence, and the child is happier to learn. Number 6, a positive approach to teaching, and this includes rewards, reinforcements of behaviors that we want to increase. Teaching is paired with motivation, again, to make learning easier and more fun. Number 7, comprehensive programs. It is critical that good quality ABA programs are comprehensive and covers all areas of a child's development. At EAP, our ABA programs include early learner skills, communication and language, play skills, social skills, daily living skills, pre-academic and cognitive skills, and generalization of all skills learned. Number 8, multiple levels of supervision. The best quality treatment that every child with autism can receive is only achieved through ongoing training and supervision. Each child at EAP has a complete ABA team consisting of 2 to 3 therapists, a supervisor, a senior supervisor, and the Wisconsin Early Autism Project senior consultant, all of whom receive continuous regular supervision and ongoing training. Every child with autism is different, and it is extremely important that there is a team of experts that is working for the best outcome of your child. ABA is extremely effective when implemented correctly and by following certain standards of practice to ensure excellent quality of treatment. In summary, these are 8 reasons why ABA is so effective. Individualized programs, one-to-one teaching, intensive hours, early intervention, start with success, positive approach to teaching, comprehensive program, and multiple levels of supervision. If you find that you have enrolled in an ABA program and have not seen progress with your child with autism, do contact us today for a review appointment and we should be able to find a solution to improving your ABA program. We also have a free downloadable ABA resource on our website and our blog.